We're back with episode 2 of the Birchy Approved series. We carefully selected the right parts with the help of our dealer, and now we're ready to install them on the KTM 1290. I've ridden a lot on my KTM 1290 in all sorts of conditions, and so for this upgrade we decided to focus on the parts that would really transform its riding feeling, the stuff that I'm going to actually notice as I'm riding the bike. We've upgraded parts of the drivetrain, the tyres, the brakes and the engine.
Whoa, she looks good.
Hey man. Hey Chris.
What did you discover?
No real big problems. New tyres, new boots, new discs, new wheels even.
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, looks great. New panels from the damage that you've done from having too much fun.
Hey man, thank you very much.
Have a good time.
Well do. Thank you.
Stay tuned for episode 3, where we take the bike out for a proper test.